Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the room tour, so we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by doing a little 360 and then I'm gonna explain everything. Alright, so over here we have my desk and where I film. I got this desk from Target quite a few years ago and I painted it pink, of course. Over here I have my big nail lamp, which is from Amazon. I have my little Beatles lamp. I have my little gooseneck flash cure lamp. And this actually opens up and I have more LED lights. They plug in and turn on for when I am filming like a makeup thing. If I do, the lights work really good, so I put those in myself. They're from Amazon, but I usually keep that closed. We have my stickered up desk. I have over here my little lamp, which I should have turned on. It has a remote and this thing is from Amazon. It's the best. I love it. It does like so much stuff. Yeah. In this right hand drawer I have my drill charger, some nail stands, some extra press-ons for like swatches and stuff, some rubber gloves, nail glue, one of these little flash cure lights that I actually never used yet. I still need to put batteries in it. What else? Tape. My old nail drill. The first one I started out with. Still works. She's still great. But we have gotten a better one since then. Over here I have some paper towels, cotton rounds, my favorite acetone, regular nail polish remover. We have acetone from the dollar store, which actually works. I have my extra little 91% alcohol. I have those little things that you soak off your sets with. Vaseline, a top coat, and I use this top coat and this oil if I'm doing a peel off base, which works really good, a pop off base, and then just a little palette. And I guess I'll start with these drawers, but I do have my other organizer over there, which I'll leave for the end because that one's more fun. But yeah, in this top drawer, sorry guys, I'm filming this like in my hand. I have about half of my tips in here. This container I've had for like a million years and it's from Target. These are the tips I use the most, I guess, in this drawer. These are all from like Temu and Shein. They're short to medium, long stiletto, and then bamboo French. These are like the best. These are my absolute favorite tips. They're on Shein and Temu. Have some Apres tips, some Nail Couture, some random ones, Apres. What are those? Bellavina. I don't even know if you can get those. And then under there, what is under there? Oh, my cart Compa. And in the second drawer, I have extra like just supplies like lint-free wipes, more of these little things that you soak off with, my extra files, little cleanup tools, more palettes, extra sanding bands, files, buffers, an extra little, this was actually my first flash cure lamp. She still works. We have some swatch sticks, and I kept these because I don't know, maybe I'll need them. And just some more files. The bottom drawer really doesn't have too much in it. We got cotton balls, an extra nail lamp, and a hoard of acetone, because if you know, you know that you can never have enough acetone. And then I forgot to show you, this is like my filming light thing. It works really good. That's from Amazon. It was like the first rated one. Then I've been using this more. This was from Temu. It was like $4, and you know, you just snap your phone in there. My little mat, the primer and dehydrator I'm trying to use up, alcohol, my little thing I got from the Dollar Tree that I keep my lint-free pads in, and little cleanup sticks, a duster brush. I have my favorite drill bits, my drill, which I love, which was my little upgrade. That is from Amazon. I think I looked the other day. It's listed for like $32. It's really, really worth it. Rechargeable, very strong, and yeah. In here we have like all my nail art brushes. It's just a mess. So yeah, and then in this drawer, it's a mess. This is like my most used, and like, I don't know, all my like gel glue things. I have 2 of these. I love those, sparkly non-sticks. I have things I didn't use yet. I have an extra Sky backup. A new primer and dehydrator. This is just like stuff that I grab for frequently. This is my favorite. This is also a favorite. Top coats. Just a lot of glues. And down there is my cute little Ouija board rug I got off of Temu. It was like $12. It's kind of like a bathroom mat, but it doesn't really matter. It's cute. And then I put this little like folding table here to give me some extra space, like so I don't have so much stuff on top of my desk. We just have one of these, brushes and rhinestone pickers I use the most. Another, this is what I use to film like when I'm filming my face, I guess. A mask I don't wear. This thing works like shit. And in here is like nail clippers and cuticle stuff. Yeah, this is like my most used. I have like extra drill bits and like extra files, just like everything. And then I have my little stool. These are just some gel polishes I've yet to decide what to do with. Really pretty like Macart kit. Hey, there's my cat. I have this welcome sign, which is super cute. Goes with the aesthetic. And my bat I got for my birthday like a couple years ago. I have this I got for Christmas. I didn't put any stuff in it yet, but it's very cute. And then over here is the infamous Nail Graveyard. We love her. You see that in my shorts all the time. We have an LEX record. I love her so much. If you don't know about her, definitely check her out. She's so good. My cactus, this other little succulent thingy. Of course, I put stickers on it. My practice nail hand, which my sweet son got me for Christmas. The organizers, which are most exciting, I guess. But first, I have this bat I got for Christmas. It has 3 hooks, and I just have my swatch sticks so far that I've done. I definitely have not swatched all my stuff yet. I have this ramen sign, which is cute. So let's get started on the drawers. This top drawer is my poly gel drawer. These are from Temu. I did a video on that. This is a Macart kit I have not used yet. Those are the Temu swatches. This second drawer is filled, sorry, that's gross, filled with charms. Okay, I'm crazy, guys. This one came already made, which is pretty nice. I believe that's from Shein. Those are just flat back rhinestones. More flat backs. This is like little mix. These are just like ones I separated that I thought were cute and different. Never used these yet. I have a lot of charms and stuff. And all of these, some of them are like the sequins type, some of them are rhinestones, like, you know, it's just a mix of everything. I hope you guys like this. It's really hard to film with one hand. Next drawer, we have the 2 organizers that I filled. I have videos on these. So there's that one. There's this one. I have some glitters. I have right here, these are just some dip powders, but they're like glittery types. And Aurora powder, glitters. This is kind of like my glitter nail sticker mixed drawer. My hands are shaking. Yeah. I have 2 sculpting gels. I should probably move those because I forget they're in there. Glitters. This is like metallic mirror paint. This is like I don't know. It's really pretty silver. Next drawer. This one kind of annoys me. It's like my mess drawer. These are like tips I started out with in the very, very beginning. I don't use them. They're super short. These are not see-through. I'm gonna like use them for swatching and just like testing out nail art. And then I have my dip stuff, which I don't use. I thought I liked dip for a minute, but I'm not super crazy about it. More tips. This is a boring drawer. Okay. This is the start of my gel polish. These are like from a jelly gel kit I got off of Amazon, a black. We have some Model 1s. These are like neons. These are jelly nudes. Then this drawer is really satisfying to me. These are my 2 gel sets that I started out with from Model 1s. I love these. These are like neutrals, reds, and these are more like Eastery colors. I need to swatch out all of these because it's kind of hard to find, especially with these because they don't even have colors on the top. And yeah, these are Saviland like nail art gel, painting gels, whatever. But yeah, I love Model 1s. I definitely recommend. And okay, this drawer right here has more gel polishes. This is a jelly Saviland kit. I absolutely love these. These are, it's like a 6-piece set from Temu. They were like $4. They're not bad at all. This is I haven't used it yet. It's like a thick non-white top coat. But yeah, I'm excited to try that. We have some, what brand are these? Oh, they're Beetles. These were like one of the first things I bought. They are glittery, like jelly polishes. Love those. This is a hard gel from Shein. These are more cat eye polishes from Gayoid and the little magnet thing. They work really good. I like those a lot. These are just a few random like rubber base coats from Temu and Shein. I've swatched them in a video in one of my many hauls. Here we just have a backup, backup base coat and top coat. These are my favorite. These are from Shein. Whoa, they're really, really good. So yeah, that is my 3rd drawer of gel polishes. So we have 1, 2, and 3, plus these that I showed, which I need to figure out what drawer to put them in, but I don't want to rush that because I like things to be a certain way. And yes, so the bottom drawer is the rest of my tips. I have a lot of tips, guys. These are the like ones from Temu. I'm pretty sure I have all the shapes. Stilettos, square, almond, and extra long, whatever. So yeah, these in the back are all my bagged tips. There are a lot of stiletto and coffin. I'm not gonna like pull them all out, but yeah. Over here, these are all from Shein and Temu. These are like shorter. I don't really use these all the time. Tips that I haven't used yet. Stilettos, you know, it's just a huge mix of nail tips. It kind of annoys me that I have them in 2 different spots, but yeah. So this is my nail room, guys. My filming setup, my nail desk. Hi, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, I'd really love it if you subscribed. If you don't, that's okay too, and I will see you in the next one, guys.